Hello friends, let's continue with decorator design pattern. So we come to this three definition later, but let's one example of decorator. Suppose we have a tree and we want to give some festive look to the tree. Just take the example as a Christmas tree. Then what we will decorate that tree with the features like light, candy cranes, glass ornaments and some kind of gifts. So means the tree functionality has not changed, but we decorating this with additional features. So that exactly the decorator pattern. So what? Add additional features or responsibility to object dynamically without changing the existing features in tree. And this seems like a inheritance, means the tree is there, we want to add a new features, then what we will do, we exactly follow the concept of inheritance. But there is certain demerit if we apply the concept of inheritance here in that kind of situations, like in the Christmas tree. If you want to implement the concept of your inheritance, then definitely it has some bottlenecks. We will see in next presentation, in some other presentations, and try to clarify why it is not a good choice to apply inheritance if the situation is like a decorator. And the most importantly, when client want to use the decorator patterns, so client always interested in, let's zoom it this presentations, then we can focus on the client. If you see, as for your gang of 4 definitions, suppose the client is there here. Client is always, this is a core component. Client always interested in the core component. Client may not interested in extended feature or extended features too. But suppose we want to provide the extended features 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it may be, then we can take the help of decorator, and this decorator has here the component. If you see the complete class design here, this can be component, can be an interface or abstract class, it has some operation. And the core component is here, inherit from your component, and it has also, means it has also the implementation, it has the implementation of some operation. But most important here, decorator. Decorator has the object composition here as a component, this component, and it has the form of wrapper reference. This is very important. And here the extended feature 1, extension feature 2 is extending the features from the decorator. So the each class, means this extended feature 1 and extended features 2, always delegated to the decorator base class. This is the base class, and class always delegates through the component wrapper. And we will see the practical example in the next sessions and understand the decorator pattern more closely. Thank you friends.